Hi everyone. Well, I'm here testing everything just to see if you can see that I've been letting my brows grow so I can get a fuller look for my eyebrows. Okay, I'm just showing you right here how long my eyebrows are, but that's actually good for brow lamination. It's gonna be a very quick tutorial that it's so easy and simple to do. So we are going to start, okay? So the first step is you have to have your eyebrows completely clean, no makeup, no foundation, no nothing, okay? We're gonna start with that. Once it's clean, like you can see, this is not makeup. This is my micro shading that is fading. It's been like 2 years. I need a touch up, I know. So, but my brows right now, they are makeup free, okay? We are going to start with the brow perming solution number 1. We're gonna use a small amount, something like this. And then we're gonna start applying this cream onto our brows. We're gonna apply it upwards, okay? We're not just giving direction right now. We're just going to soften the hair. So we're gonna leave it for 10 minutes. This first one is only 10 minutes. If your hair is really fine, then you just have to go for 5, okay? But mine is thick, so I'm good with 10 minutes, okay? We're gonna use plastic, the one that you have in the kitchen. We're gonna use it. If you don't have it, it's okay, but it's better if you have it. So you're just gonna cut it into pieces, 2 small pieces, and cover the brows. Okay. Like that. Okay. For 10 minutes. So I'm gonna just put my timer here to make sure don't go over it this time, okay? So 10 minutes. Time is up. Okay, so we're going to remove the plastics right here. Don't throw them away yet. And we're gonna grab our brush and just brush them now. We're gonna give them direction upwards, okay? Just, I know it looks crazy, but it's not gonna be like that. So upwards, and then the arch, kind of like just brush it down here in this area, brush it up, and you do the same with the other brow. So when you brush it upwards, it's gonna look actually fuller because the brow is gonna stay not like that yet, but it's gonna cover those tiny gaps. Your own hair is the one that is gonna be covering those gaps there. So I have empty spots here. So I'm gonna brush my hair there. And then right here, there's a gap. So I'm gonna cover it. So yes, it's gonna look like this now, for now, okay? Don't be scared. It's not gonna stay like that. It's gonna look actually thicker and full. All right, so once we're done with this, we're gonna use the same plastics we used before and cover them for 5 more minutes, okay? So like I mentioned before, if your eyebrows are thin, go, you see, when you place it, make sure you don't ruin the hair direction. So you just keep same hair direction. So I was saying that if you have fine, thin hair, just go for 5 minutes first and then another 5 minutes. If you have thicker hair or fuller hair, just go for 10 minutes and then 5 more minutes, okay? So here, it's gonna be 5 more minutes. Okay. So now, again, we're going to take off the plastics. This is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna use a sponge. We're just gonna spray some water. Don't soak the sponge, just spray a little bit of water, okay? We're gonna remove this product with the sponge. So we are just going to gently remove the spearmint solution, okay? And with your brush, just brush it again before we start adding the other product, okay? Just like that. And then we're gonna use the solution number 2. We're gonna be doing exactly the same. An amount like this. We use our Q-tip or micro brush. And we're gonna start applying. This one, it's up to you if you want to cover it with plastic or just leave it like that, okay? And we're gonna leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, time is up. We're gonna remove the product. Same thing, upwards with our sponge. I put a little bit of water, okay? So, see how thick they look. And then we're gonna use the brush to get the direction we want here.